I think that school transformed my life and studies and make me a better person, not only in studies. I want to be a pilot. For this I need physics and computer science, and the school gives me the option to learn what will help me in the future.
Imagine that this is the last bus stops for the children. If they will not go to this bus, they will miss the opportunity to succeed in their life. We are providing the whole aspect of their life: emotional support, psychological support, educational support, social support, 24/7 tutoring, they're eating, they're sleeping.
We're standing at the dining hall right next to the kitchen. Thanks to your donations, Sport has been able to make a real revolution in the school. Pedagogical programs, STEM education, the finest in technology. This building has been around since 1956 and hasn't been renovated even once. It is time to feed not just the minds of the students, but their stomachs. With your help, we can make a huge difference.
I love the school. It gives me the opportunity to learn things that I love and also have like the space that I feel safe in.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's more than a school. It's open to our future life.